Hello and welcome to the Astro Cosmic Vibes. In this chapter, let's understand the birth chart and the planet lords associated with each zodiac sign or the house. The birth chart or the Rasi Kundali represents 12 zodiac signs or the Rashis as we call in the Indian or the Vedic system. You have to practice to write the charts or Kundali to get fluent in writing the charts. There are various charts which are plotted as in the Rasi Kundali, Navamsha Kundali, the Shumamsha Kundali, so on and so forth, to which we shall get eventually. For now, let's understand the Rasi Kundali. Each house in the Rasi Kundali is represented by a symbol for identification and also to define the characteristics of the person born in that Rashi. As you see in the chart or the Kundali, there are 12 houses numbered from 1 to 12. The first house is Aries or the Mesha Rashi. The second house is Taurus or the Vrishabha Rashi. The third house is Gemini or the Mithuna Rashi. The fourth house is the Cancer or the Karkataka Rashi. The fifth house is Leo or the Simha Rashi. The sixth house is Virgo or the Kanya Rashi. The seventh house is Libra or the Tula Rashi. The eighth house is the Scorpio or the Vrishchika Rashi. The ninth house is the Sagittarius or the Dhanur Rashi or the Dhanus Rashi as we call. The 10th house is the Capricorn or the Makara Rashi. The 11th house is Aquarius or the Kumbha Rashi. The 12th house is Pisces or the Meena Rashi. You need to remember which house is called by what name. Now, you must understand that every house is governed by a planet or the owner of the house or the lord of the house as we call. Like how you are the owner of your house, likewise the houses in the birth chart or the Rasi Kundali has owners or with the reverence we call the lord of the house. Also please understand that we have written the names of the houses as well as lords both in English as well as in the Indian Vedic system. As in Aries is called Mesha, Taurus is called Vrishabha, Gemini is called Mithuna, Cancer is called Karkataka, Leo is called Simha, Virgo is called Kanya, Libra is called Tula, Scorpio is called Vrishchika, Sagittarius is called Dhanus, Capricorn is called Makara, Aquarius is called Kumbha, and Pisces is called Meena. Likewise, even for the lords of the house, we use the Indian Vedic names, as in for Mars we call Kuja, for Venus we call Shukra, for Mercury we call Buddha, for Moon we call Chandra, for Sun we call Surya, for Jupiter we call Guru, and for Saturn we call Shani. Similarly, for the north node we call Rahu and for the south node we call Ketu. So now here you observe that for Aries and Scorpio, Kuja is the Lord. For Taurus and Libra, Shukra is the Lord. For Gemini and Virgo, Buddha is the Lord. For Cancer, the Moon is the Lord. And for Leo, Sun is the Lord. Likewise, for Pisces and Sagittarius, Jupiter is the Lord, and for Aquarius and Capricorn, Saturn is the Lord. Moon and Sun are the lords for one house each, that is Cancer and Leo respectively. The planets Rahu and Ketu do not own any house. They are called as Chaya Grahas or the shadow planets. We shall discuss more about these in the future episodes. For now, practice writing the Kundali or the chart and remember the lords for each house. In the next episode, we'll discuss further. Please post your comments and questions which shall be answered. Thank you so much.